Do you know how your hashtags are working for your solar page? Hi, my name is Amit Thussu. I'm a stay-home dad and a stay-home husband these days. I love to cook and I'm a dreamer. I help solar companies get a good digital footprint and increase their ROI and sales in the industry. I am also the founder and CEO of Solar Compare. Now, talking about hashtags are one of the most underutilized invention of the digital field. They are one of the most wonderful things because they can turn anything, any word into a searchable term. So, in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can go ahead and use hashtags to the max, and I've also created 6 sets of separate hashtags for the solar industry in the resource that I am going to give out here. So now, first thing is use a different set of hashtag for every post. When you use similar or same hashtag sets, वो copy paste करके रखा होता है, उसी को बार-बार डालते हैं, then the algorithm from any social media like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, they take it as repeat post and उसको फिर उतना benefit नहीं मिलता है. So use separate hashtags. So that's why I've given 6 sets which can be used. Again, do your own research as well, but I have already given 6 sets for solar industry. Now, hashtag library. Check it out. The reason is that every hashtag has a library. Okay, so what you do is you check out these libraries, you check out the hashtag, you type in the hashtags, for example, rooftop solar, and you will get a set of libraries, set of posts. Check out the best hashtags that are being used over there, and then accordingly define what is yours. Okay, now one more thing, algorithms can read hashtags and the images. So if you use an image, use relevant hashtag. For example, if you use an image of an egg, use hashtag egg. If you use the hashtag of a solar rooftop install, use hashtags like rooftop solar and solar panels, because that is something that is really very evident in the post, in the image, and the algorithm will connect it to the image and give you better performance on the same post. Use a mix of high volume and low volume hashtags. If you try to think that high volume hashtags are the best, yes, they are good, but where would you rank as a new page on there? In every microsecond there is a post coming on that hashtag. If there are about 500 million posts over there or 500,000 posts over there, where would your post rank? So अपना हैशटैग जब आप यूज़ करें तो मिक्स यूज़ करें, टॉप हैशटैग्स और नॉर्मल हैशटैग्स को इस तरह से मिक्स करके यूज़ करें. ऑल्सो there are a lot of tools available online that can help you generate a list of hashtags and things like that. I have also used these tools, and that is why I have put in 6 lists. So one, I found an article which was by Jupiter Media, and you can use that. I've given the link as well. You can use that article and see all the tools and use them over there. So in this video, you kind of got to know how to use hashtags, and hopefully you can make up your own strategy using hashtags and getting a better result on your posts. Once again, this is Amit Thussu, a stay-home dad and a stay-home husband, a social media entrepreneur, a solar professional. I help companies develop their digital footprint and also help them reduce their ROI and increase their sales. I hope you like this video, and if you connect with what I'm saying, do drop in a comment and let me know what hashtags you use. Cheers. Have a wonderful day.